In this lecture, we'll be discussing a new data structure called set. A set is a collection of unique elements. The elements of a set are called members, and the two most important properties of sets are that the members of a set are unordered and no member can occur in a set more than once. A set is defined as an unordered collection of related members in which no member occurs more than once. A set that contains no members is called empty set. The universe is the set of all possible members. Two sets are considered equal if they contain exactly the same members. A set is considered a subset of another set if all the members of the first set are contained in the second set. On this data structure, we can perform union, intersection, and difference. Union is basically a new set is obtained by combining the members of one set with the members of a second set. Intersection, this also produces a new set by adding all the members of one set that also exists in a second set. Then we have a difference, which results in a new set by adding all the members of one set except those that also exist in a second set. Intersection operation and union operation are commutative, which means that set 1 intersection set 2 is equal to set 2 intersect set 1, and the same is true for the union of the two sets. Intersection and unions are associative as well, which means set 1 intersection set 2 intersection set 3 is equal to set 1 intersection set 2 intersection set 3, and this holds for union as well. Now, some of the operations that I'm discussing will be more relevant when we'll be covering it with an example. So over here we have created a set class using the bit array data structure. We have a constructor which is initializing the data with 5 bit array elements, and then we have some methods over here like add to add items to the bit array data collection that we have, and then we have isMember, which is going to find out whether a particular value is part of the collection or not. Then we have remove, which will remove the item from the set. We have union, which is, as I mentioned, is obtained by combining one set with the members of a second set. So that's what we are doing over here. We're combining one set with the other. So this is the current set and one we are passing over here, and together we are combining it, and then we are combining it and returning as a new set. Then we have intersection and difference that we just discussed, and then we have is subset function, which finds out whether a particular set is a subset of a given set or not. And then this one is the toString method that we have over here. Now in our program.cs file we have created a set called set A, and here you can see it is having 3 items in it or members in it, 1, 2 and 3. Then we have created another set, and this has got 2 members, 2 and 3. A new set has been created called set C, and here we are doing union operation. So you can see we are kind of adding 2 sets, set A union set B. So the new set C that we have over here will have all these values 1, 2, 3, and when we'll print it, this is going to print the values of set A 1, 2, 3, and set C will be printing 1, 2, 3. Next, what we are doing is we are updating set C by the intersection method. Intersection, as I explained, generates a new set by adding all the members of one set that also exists in a second set. So if you see, set A and set B have got these values 2, 3, 2, 3. So set C will have that value, and then the same will be printed. Then we have set A difference, set B. Difference, as I mentioned, returns a new set by adding all the members of one set except those that also exist in a second set. So if you see set A and set B over here, 2 3 2 3 exists in both set A as well as in set B. So the difference operation will result in a new set with value 1, and that is what we will get in set C over here. Finally, we are trying to check whether set B is a subset of set A or not, and if it is, then we are printing this line B is a subset of A. Otherwise we say B is not a subset of A. So let's go ahead and see all these in action now. So here you can see first it is printing set A values 1 2 3, then it is printing set C value. With the union we were getting this value 1 2 3, then for intersection we were getting 2 3, and for difference we were getting 1, and then finally with the is subset we are getting this B is a subset of A. So that was sets in data structure using .NET Framework.